Here at the University of Massachusetts Lowell, in the School of Health and Environment, the Community Outreach Committee is connecting students with the community using service learning projects. Dr. Deirdre Murphy is chair.
The Community Engagement Committee is very excited to be able to have faculty and students start thinking about how we do research, service, and learning in the community. It's an opportunity for all of us to start thinking about the rich environment that the community brings to the table in terms of diversity and practical application. It is an opportunity for deep learning that's reciprocal for both faculty, students, and community members. And it's an opportunity for us to share resources and ultimately provide really the most rich environment for our students to learn here at UMass Lowell.
At a local elementary school, Dr. Murphy has been working with second grade teacher Elise Bradley.
I think the committee's been very helpful in helping us organize and coordinate efforts. Now, I guess placing particular students in search of a service learning project the committee's been helpful in that regard. We've had, I think because each year it's been a little bit different and it's grown a little bit more, there have been more opportunities on both ends for us to work together. So definitely it's been a helpful process. It's important to have a connection with the university for the students, the kids at the Lincoln School, in one way that they get to have mentoring in a way. They get to see young adults, people in the community. They get a chance to see from the outside as a very young student. Here are college students and they're working towards something and they're working with us. It's a bond between another community agency or a community group with the school. So it's a little bit separate, but there's a definite mentoring piece. I think it's good and it's been very beneficial for me in that it's motivating for me to work with people who are younger and excited about new things that they're working on and fresh ideas. It's been fabulous for me in that way to work with. And I think for the UMass students, it's a way to try out different, even professions or different ways to work with the community and to practice it. To give a little bit back to the community, I think, is always helpful on both ends. For us to have students coming in is a way for us to give back to the university, and for students to come in and work with our students. It helps provide services for our kids almost in a volunteer-like basis or service learning basis for people that might not ordinarily have that, have the opportunity to have those experiences.
The vision for the School of Health and Environment's Community Partnership Committee is to develop mutually beneficial partnerships with community agencies, organizations, and residents that will ground academic learning in real-world experience to prepare future generations for leadership and responsibility, protecting and advancing health and the environment.
Like I said, we are interested in pediatrics, but even if you're not, it's good to just see the different kinds of needs that are out there. So I would recommend this program.